How to silence someone's text messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page, where you can view all your messages. Now, scroll down and search for the message you want to silence. Tap on the contact's name or number at the very top of the screen. In the Details menu, locate the Hide Alerts option and turn the switch on. Tap on Done at the top right corner as shown. You'll notice a crossed-out bell icon next to the conversation, confirming that you will no longer receive notifications for their messages. Alternatively, open up the Settings app and go to Focus. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. From the list, select Custom to create your own focus. Now, type in a name for your focus. For example, Silence Texts. Then, tap Next at the bottom. On this page, tap on Customize Focus to proceed. Under Silence Notifications, tap on Choose People. Ensure that Silence Notifications from is selected, and tap on Done at the top right corner. Now, swipe down from the top right to open the Control Center and turn on your new focus by tapping on Silence Texts. Following these steps, you can easily silence someone's text messages on an iPhone.